Yeah, I came after my GCSEs. I did the level 3 for BTEC in engineering here for 2 years, and I chose to specialise in electrical. And then afterwards, I decided I might as well continue what I started and get a higher level. So I chose to do the foundation degree because I wanted to just continue what I'd already done in level 3. Modules I've done, it's all, because I did electrical, it will have been, I've done the likes of robotics and PLCs and the likes of mechatronics. So I've picked up how to do a lot of programming with the likes of C and Python, as well as being able to jog and actually program a 6-axis robot arm. That's just in the workshop, and then as well program with PLCs, as well as what's the word I'm looking for? As well as just little with mechatronics. So I'm doing tiny circuit work that can then go into bigger projects with programming as well, and that's really let me skills I never thought I'd really have, because when I was younger I never really thought I'd be much of a going into programming. I thought I'd always be all hands-on and just get my hands dirty, but no, it was interesting getting all them skills of learning to program it and seeing how it goes to actually get from A to B and get it working autonomously. After doing the foundation degree here and the level 3s previously, I'd really like to see myself going into a job either working with robots or some sort of mechatronics job, so programming like Arduinos or building small little robots or drones or something along those lines. I'd thought about university a few years ago, but after doing the foundation degree and everything else, I kind of thought I'd rather just get straight hands in on a job, like maybe an apprenticeship and then leads on to a bigger job. But no, I did think of uni, but after this I've thought I've pretty much changed my mind and I'd rather go into work after this. Initially I wanted to do A-levels, but honestly I didn't really get the grades to do it. But I think with A-levels you'd be focusing on too many different subjects, whereas if you do just want to focus on engineering, doing this course does let you do that. You can just focus straight in engineering, and with all the different modules you can get a better focus on what module in engineering you'd rather do, like robotics for the likes of me, or if you want to just do mechanical or something else in electrical, just wherever. So it's really good for focusing on what specific part in engineering I'd like to do. Yeah, I've pretty much really liked this campus because it does pretty much have all the engineering equipment that you'd want, whereas compared to school you'd have just all the basic equipment, but here you have the likes of all your big equipment, like your multimeters or your reading equipment, so all pretty expensive equipment that you probably wouldn't see at the likes of schools, which is really good to use. During level 3 we were given the option of, it was called the Career Ready program, so I decided to apply for it. It was, if you apply and get onto it, you get 6 to 8 weeks paid work in a engineering company over your summer holiday in the first year. And so that got me a whole lot of like first in hands-on experience at an engineering company, seeing what it would be like. I got into Macaulay engineering for 9 weeks in total, and that gave me a lot of insight into what really goes on into an engineering company. As well, I did, during level 3, I did Race 21, which is Robotics and Automation Careers in the 21st Century. That's what the race stands for. So that's all about robotics, and I think that's what helped me shift my attention to getting to robotics as a career, because I just really loved it. So with Race 21 we had to make presentations about, or just an idea of how to implement a robot into a company. So me and the 2 other group members that I was with, we were implementing a robot into, well, theoretically implementing a robot into Right Bus. And with Race 21, it's not just based in Northern Ireland, it's based worldwide, so the likes of Spain and Italy take part, from colleges from Spain and Italy. So with Race 21, we were able to get trips out to Romania and the likes of Portugal, where we then presented our presentations to these other colleges, their students and their lecturers as well. So that was all during level 3, and then during this foundation degree, I've got this UK skills. So I'm working with one of my classmates, Paul. We're working together we're given tasks to do to implement a robotics task, like making a work cell, and we're given this separate task of stuff like coming on a conveyor, how we're going to design this work cell to take it off the conveyor and put it to the next position. And then lastly, I got my placement with Study USA. That was offered to me in the foundation degree as well. So that offered me a place out to a college in the United States for a whole year, where the British Council and the Department of Education, they'll pay for my tuition and everything. And so I'll study either one of the business subjects or one of the STEM subjects out there for a year, which I'm really looking forward to going. I should be going to, I've got Pennsylvania I'm going to. And I just thought it'd be a really great opportunity to see what college life over in America is like, because I've always wanted to go back to America as well.